Looking for the perfect DSLR for adventure photography? Let's check out the Pentax K-3 Mark III. Photo shooting process let their users capture image more comfortably and high-performance viewfinder a high-refraction glass pentaprism because and the magnification of approx 1.05x a clear and detailed view. And the bright field of view approx 10% more illumination and natural view optimized coating for low distortion correction lens enabling high magnification and pleasant shutter action or operability that affect sensibility then pleasant shutter release action. That effect sensibility then pleasant shutter release action ensures smooth and precise shooting, giving photographers complete control over every shot. And Smart Function is operable even while and then featuring a new Smart Function button and Select Function with the rear electronic dial and the change setting with Smart Function dial allow quick and intuitive adjustments, so you can switch modes and settings effortlessly while shooting. Pre-programmable a maximum of 5 function from 22 option. And compatibility with classic lenses then support closed-down metering and manual input of lens focal length and selectable a desired length. And THA image power the never-ending pursuit of high quality and complete renewal of key device then new back illuminated and prime V imaging engine then second generation accelerator unit and texture and detail gradation color noise reducing process and great improvement in overall image quality. And the current fine sharpness and extra sharpness is united and fine sharpness function has much improved and this function redo produced the subject detail more naturally and sharply and the SR2 compensates for camera shake caused by horizontal and vertical shift roll pitch and yaw and wide compensation range up to approximately 5.5 shutter steps and provide and panning mode to capture slow moving. And AA anti-aliasing filter simulator then pixel shift resolution system and 2 Pentax original technology. SR-based advanced resolution and image tracking capture a split second of light and the high-speed drive with a maximum speed of approximately 12 image per second. Allows photographers to capture fast-moving subjects with incredible precision. High-speed high-precision mirror and shutter driving unit and SafeFox 13AF system with 101 focus point THA number of focus point have been increases than a newly installed AF point selector lever and the easier to intuitively select the optimum focus point lever and the easier to intuitively select the optimum focus point and high-precision continuous shooting in AFC mode and image recognition technology 4. Tracking and it also reduce the effect of the unstable motion speed as well as the effect of obstacles and the operability and reliability always keep the Pentax K-3 Mark III handy whenever you want and image. And check out these amazing photos and videos taken with the Pentax K-3 Mark III. Every shot comes out crisp, vibrant, and full of detail. And newly designed graphic user interface with touchscreen LCD installed and through pursuit of reliability and all-surface magnesium alloy body and dust-proof weather-resistant construction and high durable shutter unit and dual SD card slot make the Pentax K-3 Mark III a reliable companion for long shooting sessions, harsh environments, and professional work. And a wide selection of Pentax Apps C4 Mate lenses. And PSC4 Mate DSLR aimed at enthusiasts and professional photographer with a range of advanced features and deep customization for both stills photography and video. The K-3 Mark III is designed for versatility and its tough weather resistance means you can take it anywhere, mountains, beaches, or storms, without worrying. Plus, with full customization options, adjustable dials, and intuitive controls, the Pentax K-3 Mark III gives you complete control over every shutter mode selection and mechanical shutter but this click electronic shutter shot, making it perfect for both photography and videography enthusiasts. Its silent operation and minimal vibration allow you to capture moments discreetly while maintaining sharpness and image quality even in fast-paced or quiet environments. Plus, with its rugged weather-resistant construction and high durability shutter, the Pentax K-3 Mark III and option AstroTracer and the type of 3 uses of SR to track and capture celestial bodies and capturing the night sky with the Pentax K-3 Mark III, every star comes alive with incredible detail and clarity. From the faintest constellations to the brightest celestial lights, this camera truly brings the cosmos into focus. And you can capture stunning night sky images without losing detail, even in low light conditions. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next video.